Yeah, welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is the first time of you coming to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe to my channel. And if you have been coming to my YouTube channel, if you have been watching my video and you haven't subscribed, please kindly click the subscribe button now and subscribe. So, in this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can make money online selling digital products. So I promise that I'm going to make 5 different videos on how you can make money online. So I've made the first one, the second one, this is the third one. And the first one I teach about how you can make money online doing online survey. So I'll put the link to each of the videos. I'll put it under the description of this video. The second one was how you can make money online doing personal shopping, right? And this is the third segment. And in this segment, I'm going to be teaching you how you can make money online selling digital products. So I personally have made a lot of money selling digital products that are my own and the one that are not my own, and I have a lot of people that have also made money selling digital products that does not even belong to them. So at the end of this video, you also are going to learn how you can make money online selling digital products. Firstly, for the sake of those that does not know what digital products means, I would like to explain. So digital products is kind of product that people can actually have access to it on the internet after making payment for it. So it's not like, if you want to sell a physical product now, after your customer pay for it, you have to deliver it, you have to ship it, maybe through car or something, through road or through water or through the air. So you just find a means to deliver it, right, to ship it. But when it comes to digital products, once your customer pay for it, they have access to everything on the internet. So an example of digital products are ebook, um, audio book. It can be in form of audio, it can be in form of video, right? It can be in form of software. You understand? So anything that people can have access to on the internet that can get delivered to them through the internet, that you don't need to ship it from one place to another. That is what is called digital product. So I'm going to be telling you how you also can have your own personal digital products, or how you can make money selling other people's products, right? So also I'm still going to be showing you how you can make money online selling free digital products. There are some digital products that you have access to free. I will explain how you can get them and how it works. I will explain in this video. So those free digital products, you can have access to them, and you have a resell license to them, meaning you can actually download those digital products and resell them, right? Digital product can also be in form of plugins, maybe plugins for WordPress or something. Can be in form of theme, can be in form of anything that people can have access to on the internet. It can also be in form of mentorship, online mentorship, coaching and all. So firstly, one thing that is very important when it comes to making money on the internet selling digital products is the market, right? So when you are trying to sell a digital product, it must be something that will solve a particular problem, something that people will be willing to pay for. A lot of people have created several digital products, and at the end of the day, they are not making money because it is not what people actually want to pay for. It's not what people want to pay for. So now let me just cite an example. Let's say now, I think there are some common diseases that are outside now. Let's say diabetes. So let's say somebody have diabetes now, and you have a solution to it, a natural remedy on how the person can be cured from the diabetes. You can actually package that solution into a digital product. It might be in the form of ebook, it might be in form of audio, it might be in form of, I can't say software. Okay, it can be in form of video, it can be in form of music, audio. It can also be in form of ebook. So all you just have to do is to find people that are having that problem and sell to them. And it's going to be a lucrative something, because it's it's about health, and people don't joke with health, so they will be willing to pay any amount in order for them to get the solution to that. I just use that an example. So there are other things, there are other solutions in which you can solve. So the bottom line is, one thing that will allow you to make a lot of money selling digital products is if the solution, the problem that your digital product is solving is something that people want. Definitely you are going to make money, a lot of money from it. Now, how do you come up with selling digital products? Okay, firstly, I say it has to be something that people really want. So you have to, firstly, you need to find a pressing problem that people are facing, that's a big challenge that people are facing, and you are going to find how you can also profile a solution to it, right? A solution to it. So, and how do you get to know the pressing problem? So there are several ways to do that. You can do it through survey, like you can just do a random survey. And how do you do surveys? You can actually use Google form to ask, like, to do survey. You know what survey means? Is to ask people questions. You understand? So to get information on the problem that people are facing, so that you can be able to offer a solution, to offer a particular solution to it. So that reminds me, by the end of this video, I'm going to give you access to my paid ebook, but I'm going to give you access to it for free. So if you have watched this video to this stage, congratulations to you, because you'll be getting access to that ebook for free. This ebook will teach you step by step on how to go about all of these things I'm going to be talking about in this video, right? So I'll put the link on how to get it. I'll put the link under the description of this video. You are not paying a dime to get access to it, but it's a paid book, but I'm going to be giving it access for free for only those that are going to be coming through this video. So that's aside. So first thing, like I said, is making sure that the solution you're about to provide is something that people are willing to pay for. You understand? So secondly, you need to look for the best format to put that solution. You understand? So if you think is the solution will be suitable in an ebook format, you put in an ebook format. If you think the solution is going to be suitable in an audio format, if you think it's going to be suitable in a video format, you put it in any format that I think it should be suitable. So that's the second one. So now, how do you create ebook? It's not something that question is not something that is deep. You can actually find how to create an ebook on the internet, but the method I use Google Doc, so I then export it as PDF. So if it's audio, you can actually use what is it called? There are several apps you can use. Several apps you can use to record your audio and all. So the whole method, step by step method, is in the book. It's in the ebook. So you just have to click the link under the description of this video to get your access to the book. So that is how you can create your own digital products and sell. But in a situation whereby you don't want to create your own digital products, this is what you are going to do. You are going to look for somebody, a creator that already have a digital product, that you think this solution, that this problem that this person is solving is something that people really want to pay for. So you can partner with that person and affiliate with the person. So you just walk up to the person and tell the person you like to affiliate. I have several digital products and I have people that affiliate for me. So if you want to affiliate for any of my digital products, you can reach out to me, then we negotiate on the percentage. So how do you make money selling other people's digital products? You walk up to them, you tell them you want to affiliate for their product. Make sure it's something that you know that people want to pay for. You understand? Because a lot of creators, they just create random digital products, right, without tangible solution, right? So you make sure it's something that people really want to pay for. So after you discover that, oh, this solution that this person have in their digital products, people are willing to pay for it. So you just negotiate on the percentage. So some might decide to give you 50% of your sales. That means all you need to do is, since you're affiliate, all you need to do is to market the product, the digital product. You market it and you get when people patronize you, you get your commission. There are several platforms in which you can sign up for as an affiliate their digital products. If you are in Nigeria, I know of Seller, right? I know of Seller, and if you are and I know of another international platform, it's called Gumroad. I think Gumroad, yes. So those two platforms, you can actually meet a lot of creators there and help them affiliate their own products, right? And you get your commission. So if you're in Nigeria or Ghana or any African country, I think Seller is the best option. But if you are not in any of those countries, so you can try the Gumroad. So that means you just meet with creators, people that have digital products, and let them sell. So that is for that. Then the third one, I already explained the first one, which is how you can create your own digital product. So, and the step-by-step guide is in the ebook I want to give you for free. So just click the link under the description of this video to get access to that free ebook. That free ebook is a paid one, so it contains a lot of valuable information. So I know you don't want to miss it. Then the second one is you selling digital products that belongs to other people and getting a commission for it. Then the third one, which is somehow easy, because this time around you don't even need to even know the owner of the digital product. So you just have to go download the digital product and sell. So, but one thing that is very important in that one too is that it must be something that people are willing to pay for. So the digital product must be solving a specific problem. It must be tangible. You don't just go about selling trash to people. So you need to do your research. Then I will tell you how to do the research. In this video. So you need to do your research and see that, oh, this is what people are willing to pay for. This is what people are really wanting. Like, it's a pressing problem, right? So we call them PLR. You understand? PLR. That's how we call those free digital products. So there are several websites that you can actually download those digital products that you have resale license to. So I will put the link to some of the website you can actually go to download PLR products, like digital products that you have resale license. That means if you resell it, nobody will come and hold you that why do you resell this product or something, because it has a resale license. Do you understand? So that is that for how you can make money online selling digital products. Now, talking about research, there's one tool I've been using. I know there are other tools, but the one that I'm familiar with is Google Trend. So Google Trend, if you use that to check, you use to check for things that people are looking for, things that people are searching for in a particular niche. Let's say in health niche now, you want to see similar thing, like you want to see what people are searching for. So you can use Google's Trend. So I made a video, I think about 2 years ago, on how to use Google Trend. I will attach the video in the description of this video in the description, so you can go check how to use Google Trend, because I cannot be making another video on that. So without Google Trend, you'll be able to discover the product you should create, the solution you should offer. You'll be able to discover what people are really searching for in that particular niche and how you can offer a solution to it and make a lot of money. So that is going to be this is going to be the end of this video. So if you have any question, whatever regarding what I have said there, you can drop the question in the comment section. I'm going to reply to all of your questions. So, and don't forget to get access to the guide, step-by-step guide on how you can create your own digital products. You are not paying me for it. All you just have to do is to click the link under the description of this video and you have access to it for free, right? So thank you. That is that. And if you are not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do subscribe now, and see you in the next video. Thank you.